Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. In this video, I'm going to analyze NASDAQ 100 future from 29th May to 3rd June. In order to analyze this coming week's trend, first we need to see the last week trend. Let's see this chart. This chart is beta here. I haven't drawn anything, so it is a clear cut. You can see here everything effectively, properly. You can see here. So this level 11,700. This is the major support level. On Wednesday, it gained a bit, not that much. Still, that day it ended in green. Thursday, it had a solid gain. It gained very good amount, very good value, and then that was followed by Friday as well. So this trend, it looks like the market is going to be changed. The market trend is going to be changed. If you want to see in weekly chart, you can see here clearly this weekly chart here. You can see here this 1 week it exceeds previous 2 weeks. Okay, it exceeds previous 2 weeks. So it is a very good gain, and it has broken the major resistance level as well. So that's the reason here we need to be very careful while selling our trade. So in my previous video, I told you that this level 11,700, this level, when it reached to this level, it lost its 30% from the top value. And at the time of COVID, it was here, and then suddenly it lost its value and it reached up to 7,000, and at that time it lost only 26%. Then it started to build its value, keep on increasing its value, and reached 16,700. Okay, based on that analysis, I mentioned that 11,700, that is the major resistance, and from that level it is a very high chance to increase the price or change the market trend. It looks the same thing going to be happen. Okay, so as a prediction, it is going to increase, but we are not still confirmed whether it will increase or not, because whether this gain will sustain or not. Look here, this week also it has same thing. It increased very nicely. Next week it was followed. Next week was followed by a smaller candle than this week, and another week a smaller candle. Okay, it gained significant amount, but at the end it lost its value, and then next week it tries to gain and then fell down. Okay, so then after it started to keep on falling, and then until this level. So let's get back into another slide, previous chart. Okay, you can check this chart, and then let's determine, or let's predict what will be the coming week. Okay, so current market level is 12,700. So each I already told 12,550 or 12,500, that will be the significant support level. So when the market open, my prediction is that from here, first prediction, that will be it will open down. Okay, if it open gap down, then be careful, the market is going to be down. Okay, just be very careful, and then that gap will not be filled. If market is going down, if there is gap, then just wait. Do not enter into the market. Do not enter your sell position. Just wait. It can fall down up to 12,400 level, and then it will bounce back to 12,550 around that level. That will be your selling point. You can sell there, and you need to keep your stop loss at 12,600, very tight stop loss, because last week's trade shows that it can bounce anytime back. That's the reason we don't need to put wide stop loss, and then this position already it has lost about 30% value. That's the reason any wide stop loss, that will be very that will not be a good idea. And from your because from here to end, we are expecting the market is going to be high. That's the reason. If you are selling, just put a tight stop loss and sell in this point. So your first target, that will be 12,200. Okay, so 300 points down or 350 points down, that will be your first target. From there it will breathe, it will go a bit high, about 12,400 level again, and then if it goes there, then that will be another good chance for the sale. From there it will go down, and then that fall will be very hard. This is the one prediction. Okay, it's the bearish side of a prediction. Now let's go another side of prediction, buying side of a prediction, bullish prediction. So just remember that if the market opens in a flat or gap up, okay, so it shows that market just digest last week's gain, and it is a very high chance to increase the market value. So it will go, when it goes up, it will go until 13,000. That level is one of the support level, resistance level. There is the barrier, but that barrier or resistance is not that much strong. It can be broken easily. But in my opinion, when it reaches that level, then there is another high chance to come down towards 12,550. This area, this support area, support level, it can come at this level at any time, because there are lots of news data are coming in the coming week. Because of those data, it can come up to that level, but for the short time, and again it can bounce back. From this level, it can bounce back. Okay, so you have to remember that if it fails from this level, do not enter, do not buy. Okay, so this level, when it comes to this level, it tests this level, this support level, and then start to increase the market, so you can enter into the market. Okay, so 12,550, around 12,550, just you can enter into the bullish market, and you need to put your stop loss in 12,500. Then you need to wait. So your first target, that will be again this level 13,000. but this time, in my opinion, it will not come down. It will go a bit higher, around 12,300. Okay, so it can go that level, come down again, 13,000 this level, okay, and again going up, and your second target, that will be 13,500 to 13,600. That will be your another target. Okay, so this is my next week's prediction. What do you think? How you have analyzed for the coming week? Just use your own analysis also. Use this analysis as the reference, and then you enter into this market. If we enter with a pre-planned way, then it is a very high chance to beat the market, to earn the profit. But if we don't have any target level, if we do not have any exit level or target level or exit level, then it is very hard to own the market. Even if we have a profit, then we can't save that profit. We will lose our profit. So from where you have to enter, what are the support and resistance points, how we have to enter into the market, those things that we have to understand. In my previous video, I already discussed about the moving average and the confirmation. Okay, so when you enter into the market, you have to all the time you have to look the moving average, and then when the first candle cross the moving average and the second candle confirms, only then after you have to enter into the market. If you don't know about how to enter into the market, how it will be safe to enter into the market, just check my last video. In my last video, I have clearly mentioned that when entering into the market, what type of a candle you have to look, and then where you have to put your stop loss. Those things I have already mentioned. And if you are not sure about that, or if you want to know more thing about enter into the market, safest way to enter into the market, just comment under this video, then I will make another video and then post. So every week I will make a video. I will analyze NASDAQ 100 future. If you really want this type of analysis, just subscribe my channel, so that as soon as I posted my video, you will be notified and you will not lose my video. And you don't need to be worried to search this video. Automatically it will come into your mobile or your computer, and then you can check this video. If you like this video, just you can like. If you have any comment, just comment under this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.